Pavilion Park, Broadway at the beach, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I've never been here before. I looked it up online. I was excited to come walk around, see all the rides, the attractions. I get out here and behind me, dirt. A whole bunch of dirt. Take a look at this video as I walk around and put in the comments down below. What happened? Let me know. What did I miss? Why did I miss it? Why am I looking at all this dirt? One year later, and this is a look at what's coming soon. I got a glimpse of what happened to all the rides, so keep watching. We're going to take a look at all the rides as best as we can, and then we're going to do a walk around of the property itself. And once again, put it in the comments down below. Let me know what I missed and what happened out there. I've never been here before. We did a little walking around. Just the east section of the pavilion is gone. Central is still here. West side still here. For how long? Who knows? But like I said, put it in the comments down below. We're always looking for amusement construction. Another reason why you definitely want to subscribe to us and follow along. What we find interesting is, look, at these barges, this is how it looks like the workers were getting off and on and moving the construction materials and moving the old discarded lumber perhaps that was on the area, because these are already loaded up on barges also, and then it looks like they just drag them out of the waterway here. Every day, an adventure that rocks.